This is the unboxing of my Hot Wheels cars. I went to the Dollar General and Dollar Tree, and I found a lot of these cool cars, and I bet you guys are gonna love them. Here is the cars I'm gonna show you. First up is the Mercedes-Benz Coupe. And I'm gonna try to turn that on. Shoot. I haven't plugged in yet. Hold on, guys. I'll put it in here. Oh, excuse me. There's the Mercedes-Benz. I'm going to put it over here. This is a nice Mercedes-Benz Coupe. Next up I have, I'm going to unbox this, the Dodge Coronet police car. This new one that I haven't got yet. I can unbox it. Come on. Here's the 59 Dodge Coronet Super Coronet police car. The next one I already unboxed, and it's the Olds 442 with the color or the art cars. I always keep the cards for my collection as well, so that's what I always do. Excuse me. Next up is the nothing. Right here is the Range Rover Velar, and it's new for 2019. Here's the Range Rover Velar. It's a nice car. Next is the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. This is also new for 2018, for 2019, excuse me. and it's a nice car. 3 laps. The Porsche Panamera. I do have this one. I got the one in white and the one in red. I haven't got the one in black yet. Here's the black Porsche Panamera. It's a nice car. Hold on. Ooh. There we go. Porsche Panamera. It's sweet. Nice car though. Nice car. Second to last is the Alpine A110 or 110. Sorry, I'm moving the camera. There's the Alpine 110 A110. Sweet. And last but not least is the these are the cars I have now, are the new ones, but last but not least is the Lamborghini Huracan. Here's the Lamborghini Huracan. I also forgot to show you the Bugatti Chiron. Excuse me. Here's the Bugatti Chiron. New one that I have, that I got. The highlights of these cars are my favorites are the Range Rover, Velar, the Olds 442, and the Jaguar. And yeah, those are my favorite cars, and the unboxing. See you guys in another video.